So whenever we think about booking the PLAB 1 seat or a PLAB 1 placement, it always comes in our mind, what if we fail to book the PLAB 1 seat? And it is a nightmare for all the PLAB 1 aspirants. So in this video, we'll try to find the solution and explore few options, and I will give my opinion regarding that. First of all, what I would like to tell you is, please do not panic if you have already gone through the booking process and you are not able to book the PLAB 1 seat. So it is the time that you keep yourself calm and composed and try to find the alternative options and try to find the solution of your problem. So if you are someone who is watching this video before booking your PLAB 1 seat, then you have two options. That is, you should consider booking your PLAB 1 centers outside your city or outside your country as well. And the second option that I'm going to talk about is in the 5% cases who have already gone through the booking process and who failed to book the PLAB 1 seat or a PLAB 1 placement, then you still have an option. Do not panic. You can look for the cancelled seat as well. So let's talk each one of these in the detail. It's very important to understand that PLAB 1 seats are in very high demand, and considering this fact, it's very high time that you consider broadening up your horizon and say goodbye to the limitations of booking your PLAB 1 seat only within your city or only within your country. So here is a plan. Start your booking process with the desired location or your desired seat and try your luck there. But if it doesn't work out, don't lose a hope. You have got an option. You just need to broaden up your horizon and expand your search to the neighboring countries as well. So why I'm telling the neighboring countries is because you know your neighbor, and considering the fact that you need a visa, considering the financial issues and the safety, you know your neighboring countries well. While you book your PLAB 1 seat or the placement to the other countries, or let's say your neighboring countries, you should also consider the accessibility of the visas, safety, and the finances as well. So I made this list considering the fact that most of the PLAB 1 aspirants are from the Southeast Asia. And the first list of country and second list of country should be the country that you need to consider, because these countries are within the Southeast Asia, and thereby you have the less visa issues, and it is feasible and financially you can consider this country to travel. So trust me, it's worth the effort. You just need to research a little bit which country is accessible to you, which country is feasible for you regarding the safety, finances, and the visa. So you need to make the list, have a back of it your mind that this could be the possible countries where I can access and I can go and take the PLAB 1 examination. So let's say you are from the Pakistan and you try to book your PLAB 1 seat within your country or within your city, but your country or the city isn't giving you any luck. Then what should you do? So make a list of the possible countries, as I've already told you, considering the visa, financial feasibility, and the safety. So considering all these facts, Sri Lanka or Dubai might be the perfect alternative for you. So keep in mind that visa issues could make India less favorable for you. So countries like Australia and the Canada could burden you financially as well. So you need to consider everything in a holistic approach. So what is the caveat of traveling to the other countries? The first thing is you need to arrange so much of thing on the top of your exam. So you need to plan ahead. So what I suggest is just plan ahead. Plan ahead of your finances, your visa and the paperwork, your travel, accommodation, and everything. You need to arrange all these things. So if you require a visa, just be aware of how easy is it for you to get the visa. So keeping these two options aside, I believe the fun part of being a PLAB 1 aspirant is you became a traveler, you have a chance to explore to the new country which you never thought of, and yeah, enjoy the moment, just explore the country. And the last thing I'd like to tell you is please, your safety first. Be aware of the scam and the fraud that's been going around, and have a backup plan always. And especially have a backup finances or a money. And whenever you are carrying a money, make sure that you load a chunk of your money in the card, which is more safer than, yeah, carrying around a lot of money in your bag. So regarding the cancel seat, what if by chance you are not able to book the PLAB 1 seat at all? Then don't worry, my friend, we have got a backup plan. Stay motivated because cancel seat can be your saving grace. The first thing is you should not be a disheartened, just stay motivated and keep on preparing for the PLAB 1 examination while you are looking for the cancel seat. It's so important that you need to be informed about the GMC exam dates. Knowing when they are conducting their exam is very crucial. So for example, if you are aiming for the cancel seat of the August, start looking for the cancel seat around the 45 to 50 days ahead of that exam date. So if you are someone who is looking for the August cancel seat, you should be looking from the July, start of the July at least. Alright, so why I'm telling 45 to 50 days ahead of the exam is that's when you get most of your refund back from the GMC, and they will only take a small amount of administrative charge. So most of the candidates who are not prepared or who didn't get a visa are likely to cancel their seat before 41 days ahead of the exam.
भाई मजा आया.
So you should be looking from the 50 days ahead of the exam till the end of the examination, and this period is the period of probability where you can book your cancel seat, and there is a higher probability of you getting that cancel seat. So regarding the cancel seat, I've already told you, you need to look for the cancel seat before 45 to 50 days ahead of the examination. And remember, persistence is the key. Keep looking for the cancel seat during that time, but don't limit yourself within that time only. You can explore the other time or other periods too. So don't let this PLAB 1 booking process discourage you. With these tips and trick, you will be one step closer to your PLAB 1 seat booking and embarking on your journey as a licensed doctor. And stay motivated, stay determined, and let's make it happen together. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for a more valuable content, and until the next time, keep reaching for your dreams. Bye bye.